Hey guys, let's see how to view a Tapo camera remotely. You can use a cell phone or can use a PC. Let me just show here how it works. So basically I have the camera already working with my cell phone. If I get my cell phone here, you see that I can bring the Tapo app. There we go. And when I hit here, studio camera, that's the one that I'm using. You see that I have my Tapo camera working. It's back here working, right? And as long as I'm using this app here, it's going to work remotely because it's the Tapo app that connects to the cloud and works pretty fine, right? So to work with your computer, it's pretty simple. You just need to use the same app here. Let me just close here so I don't have both of them working at the same time. And I come here on my Mac and then I look here for the Tapo. I already have installed, right? The Tapo app. And it's going to load the Tapo app here that I control all my devices. When I click here, Studio, that's the camera, and it's working pretty fine, right? See it? So no matter if I'm using different network, I've been testing this before. When I go to different places, I'm not here home, for example, I go to different places, I just use it the same way. It doesn't matter which network I am. I don't need to be here on my local network, right? I can even show here with my cell phone, for example. Let me just see if I can work with both at the same time or not. Let's see here the app. It's basically working. You see, both at the same time. And if I come here to my cell phone and I just disable the Wi-Fi, it's going to connect now via cell phone, right? Cell data. Then I type refresh here. Wait for it to load again, and there we go. Now it's using cellular data. Basically it's not in the local network because with the cell phone I connect directly to the cell network and it works the same way, right? So if I'm not here, if I'm far away, still is gonna work, right? So pretty good. So that's the way you can have your Tapo camera working remotely on your cell phone, on your computer. You can also use a PC with a BlueStack. BlueStack, it's a emulator, so you can run this software, right? As long as you run the Tapo software, it's going to work. So that's the way you can see your Tapo camera remotely. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.